Welcome all to my YouTube channel POTD. I hope you all are doing very well. We will now discuss the GFG problem of the day. The question name is find maximum equal sum of three stacks and the difficulty level is medium. In this question, you have given three stack S1, S2, and S3 of size N1, N2, and N3, having only positive integers. Your task is to find the possible equal maximum sum of the stack with the removal of the top element allowed. Stack are represented as an array, and the first index of the array represents the top element of the stack. In this question, you have given three stack S1, S2, S3 of size N1, N2, N3, and you have to return the possible maximum sum of the stack such that every stack is having the equal sum. You have to find the maximum such type of sum only. Stack are represented as a array, and the starting index represent the top element of the stack. The element will be removed from the starting of the array because these are the top stack, because in stack the elements are removed from the top of the stack. Let's take the example number one. In this question, n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 4, and n3 is equal to 2. You have s1 equal to this array, s2 is equal to this array, and s3 is equal to this array. You will see if we can pop 4 from this stack s1 and 1 from stack s2 and no element from S3, then you will see that the remaining element in S1 has 2 and 3 and the sum is equal to 5, and remaining element in S2 is 2 and 3, the sum is equal to 5, and the remaining element in S3 is 1 and 4, the sum is equal to 5. You will see the maximum sum each stack is having equal are 5, so the output is 5. Let's take the example number 2. In this question, in this example, you have n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 1, and n3 is equal to 3. You have S1 this array, S2 this array, and S3 this array. By doing the operation on these three stacks, you will never find out the equal sum after popping some element. So the answer will be 0. The time complexity given is O of n1 plus n2 plus n3, means you will traverse on these three array, and the space is O1, means constant space. Let's discuss the approach of this question. The approach is very simple. You only have to find out the sum of these three first of all, and then run a loop by carefully seeing the index of these S1, S2, and S3, and you will find out the mini. Mini is used to store the sum minimum store of S1, S2, and S3. If you the sum is if S1 sum is greater than mini, then you will subtract you will pop one element from S1. If the sum of S2 is less than greater than equal to mini, then you will pop one element from S2, and so from S3. If you will find out the equal sum of S1, S2, and S3, then you will return that sum, otherwise you will return 0. I hope you understand the approach of this question. Let's discuss the approach code of this question. Let's see. I have declared three variables, sum 1, sum 2, and sum 3. This store the sum of S1, then S2, and S3. Then I will sum up all the elements of S1 and S2 and S3 and store in these three variables. Then I have declared three variables I, J, and K, which are the indexes of S1, S2, and S3. Then I will run a loop, while loop, which take care of the index where take care of the index. No index will go out of the bound. So that I less than equal to n1 and j is less than equal to n2 and k is less than equal to n3. Then I will find out the minimum sum and of from the three given sum s1, sum 1, sum 2, sum 3, and stored in mini, and I will check if the sum 1 equal to sum 2 and sum 2 equal to sum 3, then return sum 1, means all the stack is having the equal sum, then return that sum. Otherwise I will check if sum 1 greater than equal to mini, then I will pop out one element from sum 1 from stack 1 s1 and subtract that element from the s1 and increase the index by 1. Then same, then follow this these steps from for the stack s2, s2, and stack s3. If you find out the equal sum In someone sum to sum 3, then you return that sum, otherwise you return 0. Let's submit this question code. Yeah, this is successfully submitted. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will provide the solution for that also. Please subscribe my channel for such amazing videos. This keeps me motivated for making this type of videos. I will provide the code into comment section. Please subscribe my channel for such amazing videos. Thank you.